Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you've ever dreamed of making a whopping $12,000 every month on YouTube without even creating your own videos, then you're in for a treat. Stick around as we unveil the secrets to this amazing income stream. Let's dive right in. Segment 1, the Untapped Opportunity. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. You might be wondering how it's possible to rake in $12,000 monthly without producing videos. Well, here's the golden ticket: tapping into an untapped opportunity. You see, there's an ever-growing demand for high-quality, engaging content on YouTube, and many content creators are seeking captivating videos to share on their channels. Segment 2, the power of Creative Commons. Here's where the magic happens: Creative Commons content. This is a treasure trove of videos that creators like you and me can use without worrying about copyright issues. Imagine having access to a plethora of videos that you can repurpose, edit, and share with your own unique spin. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating content that resonates with your audience. Segment 3, finding the perfect content. So, how do you find this goldmine of content? Fear not, because I've got you covered. There are platforms like Wikimedia Commons, Pixabay, and even YouTube's own Creative Commons library where you can discover videos that align with your niche. Remember, the key is to choose videos that have potential, are relevant to your audience, and can be transformed into something even more amazing. Segment 4, adding your unique flair. Now, let's talk about making these borrowed videos your own. It's all about injecting your unique flair and perspective. You can add voiceovers, commentary, or even a fresh introduction to give the video a personal touch. This is what will set you apart from the rest and create a connection with your viewers. Segment 5, monetization strategies. Okay, it's time to address the big question. How do you turn this into a $12,000 monthly income? Well, it's all about strategic monetization. You can monetize your videos through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even driving traffic to your own products or services. The key is to diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. Segment 6, building your audience. As your channel gains momentum, it's important to focus on building a loyal audience. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your content. Engage with their comments and feedback, and create a sense of community. The stronger your audience, the more potential for growth and income. There you have it, folks, the blueprint to making an incredible $12,000 monthly on YouTube without creating your own videos. Remember, this is about seizing opportunities, adding your unique touch, and providing value to your audience. If you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be truly remarkable. So go ahead, dive into the world of Creative Commons content, and start your journey to YouTube success today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing tips and strategies. And if you're ready to take the next step toward financial freedom through YouTube, click the link in the description below to access our exclusive guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.